This is Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and I am going to ask some questions about that Jamie Kern Lima. I really didn't want to, but she's all over X because of the podcast with our lovely Meghan. I can't really say her name. Anyway, so I wanted to know about her intentions and why did she do that? Did she feel sorry for Meghan? What? So, vertical will be yes, and horizontal is no. So let's just ask: did Jamie Kern Lima invite Meghan in order to boost her own brand? Can you tell us, please? Did she invite Meghan in order to boost her own brand? And that is going to yes. Oh, that's going straight to yes. Can you see that? Did she believe Meghan would inspire her audience? Bloody oh. Did she believe Meghan would inspire her audience, please? That is going to yes. That was a terrible... I only saw a couple of seconds and I couldn't stand it. Was Jamie advised by her by her PR team to feature Meghan, please? Was she advised to feature Meghan? Was she advised to? No. Oh, I got a question then. Was she advised not to? Was she advised not to do it? Well, that is going to yes. Wow. Look at that. I'm trying to hold my hand as steady. Wow. How does she feel now? Does she have regrets? Does she have regrets because people are dogging her, honestly? Does she have regrets? Let's give you a little kickstart. Does she have regrets for having Meghan on? Because people, I know she sees the comments. I know she sees people on X and everything. Does she have regrets about it? Does she regret having Meghan Markle on there? That's going to yes. Okay, did Meghan reach out to Jamie first? Did Meghan Markle reach out to Jamie first? Well, that is going to yes. Well, of course she did. Did she have to pay to be featured? Did she have to pay to be featured? That looks like it's going to no. Okay. Was the interview scripted or pre-approved? Let's just ask, was it scripted by Meghan Markle, please? Was that interview scripted by Meghan Markle, please? Let's give you a kickstart. Was it scripted by Meghan, please, or her team? And that's going to know. Wow. That's kind of shocking. Are you sure? Okay. So, did Jamie know that the public would react badly? Did she know the public would react this badly? Did she know? Let's give it a little kickstart. Does she know that the public would... Oh, no. You know what? I mean, she might be a billionaire, but she looks like... When I heard her talk and speak, she was... When I heard her speak, and at the... was it a college or a university? Whatever. Oh, my goodness. It's word salad. What is the matter with these people? So, has this appearance hurt Jamie's reputation long term? Has this appearance with Meghan Markle hurt Jamie's? That is going to yes. Whoa. Okay. Will it affect her business? Will it affect her business, please? All kinds of outside noises here. Will it affect her business? That's going to yes. Will it affect her book sales? Will it affect her book sales? And that says no. Okay. Well, that's all I had for you guys today. And I just thought we would have a little look and, you know, use a pendulum. We don't have to do a lot of thinking that way. And it's just a bit of fun. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers here and all of my lovely members. If you'd like to support the channel, just click the join button, or you can also buy me a coffee. It's in the description, and I thank you so much for your support. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.